the Nazca Lines, massive designs etched into the ground of the Nazca Desert in southern Peru, have been a captivating subject since their initial discovery in 1927. The discoverer was a Peruvian archaeologist named Toribio Mejia Zespe, an eminent scholar who dedicated his life to unearthing Peru's ancient mysteries. Zespe, during a hiking expedition in the Peruvian Andes, accidentally stumbled upon these expansive earth drawings. These are not just ancient doodles, but intricate designs of animals, plants, and geometric shapes, masterfully crafted by the Nazca culture 500 BCE and 500 CE. Toribio Mejia Zespe, being a remarkable archaeologist, immediately recognized the cultural importance of the designs, sparking a fascination and a series of extensive studies. The full grandeur of the Nazca Lines only becomes evident when viewed from the sky, a testament to the mastery of the Nazca people over their harsh desert environment. The purpose behind these enigmatic symbols continues to remain a mystery, making the Nazca Lines a continuous subject of research for scientists and a source of intrigue for alien theorists. Welcome to the enigma of the Nazca Lines. These vast designs, samples of the great artistic prowess of the Nazca culture known as geoglyphs, were created by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the Nazca Desert. When the gravel was removed, the light-colored earth underneath was exposed, creating these striking contrasts in color and tone that can be seen from the air. The designs range from simple lines to stylized hummingbirds, spiders, monkeys, fish, sharks, orcas, and lizards. The largest of these figures stretches nearly 1,200 feet across, demonstrating an incredible level of precision and creativity. The figures are not drawn as if they were on a flat canvas, but with a knowledge of perspective which is only fully appreciated from above, astounding considering the Nazca had no way to view their work from the air. This level of sophistication speaks volumes about the ingenuity and artistic capability of this ancient culture. But what were the Nazca trying to communicate with these designs? Were they messages to the gods, astronomical calendars, or something else entirely? The Nazca Lines, with their wide-ranging figures and lines etched into the desert floor, have intrigued observers and elicited numerous interpretations and theories. Among all these, the one that stands out was proposed by Maria Reiche, a German mathematician and archaeologist. She suggested that the lines served as an astronomical calendar, a grand celestial map on the desert floor. Reiche dedicated much of her life to the study of the Nazca Lines, conducting meticulous measurements and observations, often under harsh desert conditions. She was guided by her mathematical instincts and used basic tools like a compass, measuring tapes, and her own footsteps to map out the intricate designs. Her theory was based on the observation that some lines and figures corresponded with the position of the sun, moon, and certain stars at crucial points during the year, such as solstices. While her hypothesis was later contested by other scientists, who argued that while some lines indeed indicated important celestial occurrences, most did not, the effort and dedication she put into her research was unquestionable. Beyond her theories, Maria Reiche's legacy in the field of archaeology is undeniable. She was instrumental in garnering international attention for the Nazca Lines and pushed for their protection and preservation. She lived in a small house near the lines and guarded them fiercely, earning her the nickname Lady of the Lines. Her work, passion, commitment, and advocacy turned the lines into a UNESCO World Heritage Site, ensuring their preservation for future generations to study and marvel at. The Nazca Lines are a testament to a sophisticated culture capable of creating large works of art that can only be fully appreciated from an aerial point of view. Having explored the astronomical calendar theory, let's delve into the other theories surrounding these enigmatic lines that suggest religious rituals or even extraterrestrial involvement. One of them proposes that the Nazca Lines may have served as a map of underground water sources. The Nazca Desert is one of the driest places in the world, and water is a precious resource. Some researchers believe that the ancient Nazca people could have used them to navigate to hidden water sources. This theory, although plausible, lacks concrete archaeological evidence and is still under debate. Another popular theory, often featured in science fiction, suggests that the lines were created by extraterrestrial beings. Proponents of this theory argue that the scale and complexity of the patterns, which are only fully visible from a bird's eye view, point to the involvement of alien life forms. This theory, while fascinating, has been met with skepticism from the scientific community. Elsewhere, a different theory that the lines served as a labyrinth for spiritual journeys. The Nazca culture held strong spiritual beliefs, and the lines could have been paths for ritualistic walks, connecting the people with their deities. The sheer size and complexity of the lines suggest they were meant to be traversed, not just observed from above. Yet another theory posits that the Nazca Lines were a form of communication with the gods and rulers of life. The Nazca people could have created these large figures and lines to be seen by deities in the sky, perhaps as messages or offerings. This theory aligns with the idea that the Nazca people had a deep respect for nature and celestial bodies, as many of the figures depict animals and natural elements. The multitude of theories only adds to the intrigue and mystery of the Nazca Lines. As we peel back the layers of these theories, each one provides a glimpse into the rich and complex culture of the Nazca people, their beliefs, their environment, and their ingenuity. However, the definitive purpose of these geoglyphs remains elusive, making the Nazca Lines one of the greatest archaeological mysteries of our time. The Nazca region, a recognized UFO hotspot, continues to draw the gaze of countless observers who have reported strange lights and unidentifiable flying objects streaking across its mysterious skies. Intriguing incidents have occurred where these sightings have coincided with unexplainable disruptions of electronic devices and navigation equipment, fueling speculations of extraterrestrial interference. One can't help but question, are these unidentified visitors perhaps attracted to the Nazca Lines? As the intrigue surrounding the captivating mystery of these Nazca Lines scales up, so too do the preservation efforts. Recognizing their cultural and historical importance, the Peruvian government has taken proactive measures to safeguard these invaluable geoglyphs. They have protective perimeters around the lines, implemented stricter laws against vandalism, and have developed tourism plans that emphasize sustainable and respectful visitation. Moreover, technological solutions are being explored to further enhance preservation, using drone technology for regular monitoring and to detect potential damage. The Nazca Lines, however, are not just a point of interest for the Peruvian government. They have drawn global attention and have been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to their universal value. These geoglyphs hold a unique place in our shared human heritage, captivating both terrestrial and potential extraterrestrial curiosity. Despite the challenges posed by tourism and climate change, the commitment to ensuring the endurance of these geoglyphs for future generations to study and marvel at remains unbroken. Undeniably, the Nazca Lines stand as one of the world's most compelling enigmas, continually attracting otherworldly curiosity and human fascination. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more astonishing stories. Until next time.